Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Stormbreaker, Thor's new hammer from Infinity Wars. Let's get started. First off, I purchased this cube. It's about 5 inches by 5 inch cube foam. You can get it at the floral section, and I cut at this angle and then I reversed it on the other side, and this will create the kind of hammer side and the axe side of the hammer. On the hammer side, I cut the edges off to make it that kind of cube look. Then I started paper macheing. I did half and half, half water, half Elmer's glue, and used newspaper and wrapped both pieces, the axe side and the hammer side. Set that out to dry. Got a 1-inch dowel and hot glued it to the end. I cut the length of the dowel about 2 feet. Then I paper macheed that together and all the way down to the handle. Set aside and let it dry overnight. I then wrapped twine around the hammer and the axe side and then wrapped it around to create the handle. I hot glued the arrow symbol on both sides and hot glued it together. I used silver paint and brown paint to create the color, set that aside to dry, and did a second coat. Painted some extra details, and there you have it, Thor's Stormbreaker. I created this for my little guy and he loves it. It's cheap and easy to make and pretty durable for a little guy. Hope this gives you an idea for your own costumes that you're making, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.